This is the MacBook Air M1 running macOS Ventura. In this video, we're going to take a look at the all-new update of macOS, which brings brand new features and improvements to the M1 Mac. Also, at the end of this video, I'm going to talk about the performance and battery life of M1 Mac running macOS Ventura. That being said, let's quickly glance through the new features of macOS Ventura. One of the notable benefits of macOS Ventura is the Stage Manager. It takes the multitasking experience to the next level. Stage Manager automatically organizes your applications and windows in a single view on any Mac so you can stay focused while easily moving between tasks. So when the Stage Manager is enabled from the control center, you can switch between applications and windows seamlessly with a simple click or click anywhere on your desktop to get back to your file or folder. System Preferences has been renamed as Settings. It brings a new sidebar design which looks familiar to iPhone and iPad and makes it easier than ever to navigate settings and configure your Mac. If you're an iPad user, you will easily get started using the Settings application. I guess the grid layout in macOS Monterey was quite easy to navigate across the application, but still it takes some time to adapt to the new Settings application. macOS Ventura brings some new features to email. With improved search, you can find anything like mail attachments that delivers more accurate and complete results and provides suggestions before you start typing. You can also undo an email. Once you click on the send button, at the bottom left you will see a toast notification. This way you can undo an email. The default time limit for undo send is 10 seconds. You can increase the undo time limit to a maximum of 30 seconds from the compositing section. Along with that, you can also schedule an email based on the time and date. One of the essential things of macOS is the Spotlight search. The all-new Spotlight brings an enhanced image search that allows you to find images in Photos, Messages, Notes, the Finder, and the web right from the Spotlight. You can even use live text to search for an image based on the text inside it. Spotlight also shows richer search results for contacts, musicians, movies, TV shows, actors, sports, and businesses. We all know that webcam on Mac is not that great. Well, don't worry, with macOS Ventura, you can use the powerful camera system of iPhone with your Mac to do things never before possible with a webcam. Simply bring your iPhone running iOS 16 close to your Mac and switch to iPhone as the camera input. It works wirelessly, so there's nothing to plug in. Other applications like Safari, Messages, and Photos got some new features that will improve the app experience. If you want to know the in-depth feature list of macOS Ventura, head over to the Apple website to learn more. It's time to talk about the performance of macOS Ventura running on an M1 Mac. The initial impressions after upgrading to Ventura, the UI feels quite smooth. The performance has improved quite a bit. The app launching speeds are very impressive. I haven't noticed any lag while working with graphic-intensive applications like Final Cut Pro and GarageBand. Now just look at this, I'm running multiple things on M1 Mac like Xcode, Final Cut Pro X, MySQL Server, and a bunch of other applications open. The Apple Silicon handles the job without any issues. If it was an Intel Mac, I'm damn sure the fans at the bottom will be running at higher RPM and making the battery drain faster. I appreciate the Apple Silicon, it's very silent and provides a stunning performance with decent battery life. Now, other than that, some things related to the user interface in macOS Ventura seems to be unfinished. For example, when I switch from dark mode to light mode, the default wallpaper refuses to adapt the system theme. Also, when you go to the widget section, you will notice a major lag while scrolling through them. I guess Apple should take some time polishing the user interface elements before it gets released to the public. As usual, Apple Silicon Mac is designed to deliver incredible battery life without compromising performance. Now, my daily tasks involve Xcode, iPhone Simulator, Apple Music, Safari, Notes, and Ubuntu server running on the virtual machine. I get around 4+ hours of screen time. If you are using an M1 Mac for general purposes like browsing, writing, listening to music, and watching videos, you will easily get around 8+ hours of screen time. Overall, I would say macOS Ventura on MacBook Air M1 is an amazing update that brings many new features and slight improvements to the performance and battery life. And that's pretty much it about the macOS Ventura running on MacBook Air M1. And thanks for watching my video. This has been KSK Ryle. I'll catch you in my next one.